Hey YouTube, it's me again. I'm outside this time, not in my room or the other room. Yeah, I just wanted to see how you all are doing. Um, yeah, I'm kind of bored right now. And yeah, just wanted to say hola from outside. I'm going to show you my dog, because he's outside. Okay? 1 second. Enjoy the music. Okay? Yeah, those were my dogs. Um, Now I'm going back to where I was. And yeah. So, um, there's rocks, a tree, and my dog again. My other dog. Um, yeah, so I'm going to go now. Just wanted to say hi. And yeah, peace out.